Days after a recent security breach raised concerns, the Delhi Legislative Assembly received two bomb threat emails on Monday. The incident triggered panic and led to a major security response in the national capital. According to officials, the emails were sent to the official ID of the Vidhan Sabha Secretariat. One of the emails was also sent to Speaker Vijender Gupta. The sender warned that the assembly building would be blown up, prompting immediate action. Security agencies rushed to the spot soon after the alert. The entire assembly premises were put under strict surveillance. Entry and exit points were closely monitored. Bomb disposal squad and dog squads were deployed without delay. The detailed search operation was carried out across the complex. Teams checked every corner of the building. Officials later said that no suspicious object was found during the search. However, security remains tight. The Delhi police has registered a case. An investigation has been launched to trace the source of the emails. Cyber experts are examining technical details to identify the sender. The content of the emails has raised further concerns. The message mentioned SV Shekhar and Ravinder Munitra Kachagam. It alleged that Shekhar was sent to South India as a BJP Ramin agent. This has added a political angle to the threat. Officials said all aspects are being probed. Investigators are checking whether the emails were meant to create panic or had a large motive. They are also verifying if there is any link to recent political developments. The incident comes shortly after a reported security lapse at the assembly. That breach had already raised serious questions about safety arrangements. The fresh threats have further increased concerns among authorities. As a precaution, security has been tightened across key government buildings in Delhi. Police presence has been increased at sensitive locations. Surveillance has also been stepped up. Officials have urged people not to panic. They said such threats are taken seriously, even if they turn out to be hoaxes. Strict action will be taken against those responsible. The investigation is ongoing. Authorities are working to identify the sender and determine the intent behind the emails. Further updates are expected as the probe progresses. For now, the situation is under control. However, security agencies remain on high alert to prevent any untoward incident. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel.